Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back dito sa isa pang Adwanta Vlog starring Pabibo, yours truly. And nakatulog si Pabebe. At syempre, kasama din si Pabime, future influencer. Oh, gumising na si Mami Shanta. Gumising na si Pabebe. Hello, Shanta.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
This is our favorite part of the day. Well, one of our favorite parts, kasi tulog pa si Bebe. Today, una sa lahat, I am going to send the prizes off to the winners of our Philtalk giveaway.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Philtalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Philtalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Philtalk today.
Okay, Duanda fam, so una sa lahat, we have our GoPro Hero 4. Here it is. Alright, so I'm gonna just make sure this works. I charged the battery just now. So I'm gonna send this off to our winner, Axel Bancaya. Ito siya. I-on mo natin siya. Ayun. Ayan, di ba? Gumagana. Tingnan nyo. Yan, perfect. Alright, wala siyang SD card ha. Alright, hindi kasama yung SD card, Axel. Pero this is your GoPro Hero 4. I'm going to send this off today. Sunod is the Osmo Pocket for Gladys. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations to Gladys Cyrene Nagal. You have won our grand prize tonight, the Osmo Pocket! And, okay, on na siya. Yes, it is working. Oh, di ba? Ang cute, no? Alright, this is for Gladys. I'm gonna send this to you today, Gladys. Congratulations once again.
Ito na! Nandito na! Finally, nandito na siya! And Nitro, the Duantro family, at bubuksan na natin yung prize! Grabe, pang ano naman to, pang maharlika. Yung, ang sarap niya hawakan. Grabe, DJI talaga siya.
I'll also be sending this. Our Tough Mama prize, the blender. You know? Ganda, no? It's a 1.5 liter capacity strong glass jar blender. Grabe, no? 350 watts, rust-free blade, non-slip base footing, shell. Malakas talagang blender na to. It even has like different settings. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ganda, no? Alright, so congratulations to and Jennifer Carpeso. Yes. Alright, so congrats once again. And I've already sent the 1,000 pesos load to Sheila Linjamin. So congrats, Sheila. Si Gladys, ito yung sabi niya, wow, Teka lang. Wow, nanginginig. Wow, nanginginig ako. Dream come true. Ito po ang complete details ko and she sent me her details. She said, iniisip ko yun talaga since I joined na sana ako yun. As in, habang nagluluto ako, etc. Tapos nung makita ko yung talaga, I was in awe. Sobrang inalog ko yung sister ko sa tuwa. Tapos talon ako ng talon. Thanks again. More blessings are coming your way. Basta thank you. Sana po pwede ako makavisit sa inyo pag over na yung lockdown or kahit virtual vlog. One time for safety. I'm so blessed you guys came to my life. Wow, your impact goes a long way. Awesome. Alright, so that's good to hear, stuff like that, you know. Yung isa was yung nanalo ng GoPro. Si Axel, ito yung sinabi niya. Hi Dwayne, thank you so much. I really can't put to words how grateful and thankful I am. Thank you so much to you and Shanta. This is really a great birthday gift. It will be very helpful also. I'm sorry if I wasn't able to watch the live video. There have been internet connection problem on our town since Saturday. Alright, so congratulations to Axel. So we're gonna go send these off today. Alright guys, I'm gonna head over to LBC and I'm gonna send these prizes off. Let's go! Alright, Wanda fam, pumunta na ako sa LBC kasama ng mga premyo dito sa loob. We're gonna send them off sa mga winners natin. Pagkatapos nun, mag-grocery shopping ako kasi maubos na yung mga food namin. Tapos ayan, meron pala akong ipapakita sa inyo. Ang project na ginagawa ko. Okay, nandito na tayo sa LBC. On the fam, may pila pala sa labas dahil sa social distancing natin. So, antay muna tayo. May delay ngayon, 10 to 15 days daw. Okay, it's on the fam, pinadala ko na. Guys, I am home after grocery shopping and sending the Tough Mama thing. I'm with Shantana, she is watching Netflix, the mom bebe, and I'm with Papi Bear. Hello, bebe. Hello, you're looking at the camera, yeah? You're looking at yourself. Yes, you are. Are you happy, baby? Are you happy, baby? Okay, to want the fam. So, dito na naman tayo sa bahay. Nagligo na ako, nagbihis na. Ito po ang ikakwento ko sa inyo. Ang secret project ni Daddy. Ako si Daddy, by the way. So, ang secret project ko para kay Baby, ganito siya. Meron akong ginagawang comic book. Alright? Pambata siya na comic book. Pwede din pang 12-year-old or something like that. Basta pambata siya na comic book. Ginawa ko tong comic book nung bata pa ako. Nung 12 years old pa lang ako. Ngayon, ginagawa ko siyang maganda. As in, like, bonggang comic. Like, legit. Mukhang legit na comic na. Alright, so pag lumaki na si Baby Nitro, pwede niyang basahin. Ang mga character na nasa comic ko ay mga member ng family ko. So ako, kapatid ko. So I have those comics right here with me. Tingnan nyo! Ginawa ko to nung 12 years old pa lang ako. Ito, ayan. Oh, di ba? The Extreme Gang. So maganda siya, Nag-drawing ako. Daming iba't ibang kulay, daming iba't ibang characters. Oh, di ba? Ganda, no? Basahin natin. Ayun. So, these were a series I did. So, this is actually issue 3. Kung basahin nyo dito, issue 3 yan. Meron din prologue. Okay? The backstory ng comic na to. Tapos, ito po yung issue 1. Very first issue, issue 1. Alright? So, ito yung ni-recreate ko, itong issue 1 na to. Alright, I've made it better looking na. So here are some screenshots, a sneak peek at the new comic that I've made. Alright, ito po ang sneak peek. So yan Duan the Fam, yan ang ating comic. Yan ang secret project na ginagawa ko para kay Baby Nitro. And then check this out, this is also issue 2. So we have 3 issues. Issue 1, 2, and 3. Depending on whether or not I have the money, I will make all 3 issues. I will recreate all 3 issues. So this is issue 1, issue 2, and issue 3. Ayan. So I really want to remake all these comics into legit comics, like what I've just shown you, because it'll be cool. Not only is it like a little gift para kay Baby Nitro, but it's like a childhood dream come true, diba? Yung very first issue, grabe ang pangit ng mga drawings. Pero parang masaya lang gumawa ng comic nung bata pa ako. So I just want to bring them back to life para kay Baby, para masaya din siya. Para ma-experience niya din yung naging childhood ko, di ba? So, yun yung unang project para kay Baby yan, yung mga comic book. Pero ito ang parang para sa akin. Okay? Ito yung project na ginawa ko para sa akin. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Ayun o, ENGKANTO! So, this is a board game I am recreating. Nung bata pa ako, about the same age actually, 12 years old, 13 years old, gumawa ako ng board game, sarili kong board game. Eto siya. Kukunin ko lang, ha? Ayun, no? Gumawa ako ng board game. Oh, tingnan nyo. Diba? So in this board game, I had miniatures that I used. I had cards like this. Cards na ginawa ko. Diba? Ito actually yung mga original cards na ginawa ko. Sobrang pangit. Pero sige lang. Bata pa naman ako noon eh. So yun. Scroll, lightning bolt. Diba? So I'm gonna bring this back to life, and the board game will be called ENGKANTO. So I noticed that when I was playing this board game again with Shanta recently, I noticed maraming parang mali, maraming like mga holes or things that didn't make sense about the game. So I'm bringing it back to life, alright? Para siyang nabuhay na muli, pero may Filipino twist na siya. So ang board game na to, para siyang Dungeons and Dragons, but Filipino style, Filipino themed. Alright, it's gonna be super cool, and I've actually already started printing some of the miniatures. So here's one of the miniatures, the tikbalang miniature. Eto siya, ipapa-print ko siya, ipapa-3D print ko siya para magamit ko siya sa board game. We also have a malakas figurine. Let me just focus this here. Sige na, focus na. Sige na. Ano ba yan? Ayun! Si Malakas. Si Malakas from the alamat ni Malakas at Maganda. Eto pa si Maganda. Focus, focus, focus. Ayan. Sina Maganda at Malakas. Yun. Alright, so we also have other Filipino heroes in the board game like Lapu-Lapu, Maria Makiling, and they are the heroes you play as. They are the bayani you play as to fight against the Encanto. So they'll be fighting against mga tikbalang, mga duwende, kapre, mga shokoy, ganon. Alright, lahat na yan. So I'm really excited for this game. It's gonna be epic. Ito po yung board mismo. Ito yung board that I've recreated, that I've repainted, laid out properly with all the squares and everything. Nakita nyo, may ilog, may enchanted forest, may hidden village, my foggy swamp, ganon. So it's gonna be cool. I'm really excited to release this board game. I'm going to finish making it baka sa katapusan ng taon na to siguro. Pero I want it to be finished sana by October. Sana matatapos na lahat ng mga miniatures, and then pwede ko na siyang ibebenta sa mga gustong magkakaroon ng board game na ENGKANTO. Yan ang secret project ko ngayon, mga Mars, mga pre. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Ito ang sneak peek sa mga cards. From this to this. Let me love you. So, yeah, super excited for this board game, guys. Abangan nyo po ang announcement na kung matatapos na siya, kung i-release ko na siya sa public. Thanks for watching our vlog for today, guys, and kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Twanta. Bye for now.
Everything to me, if you let me love you.